Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, I'm a dog man today. I'm very happy for get the best in world right. Realizing out very long time ago. Learning to teach about English today. Alright, today I would like to discuss or sharing my experience. Talking about experience or my experience in time very long time ago. Our topic today: poor mentality or rich mentality. And now, as human being, money very important. Almost 5 times, people left me behind because they don't have money. No tengo mucho dinero ahora. From this day and the day, not only people but also animals need money, including mongols need money. You can imagine that. People nowadays very toy need like money. Work day and night, 24 hours day and night. They need money. So what for they are running for? I don't have money, but people say no money, no good. Can you imagine that? No money, no good. No money, no human. I agree with that statement, but I disagree. Money can make you happy. No. I remember there's only one hadith. Man salla alayya marratan wahidatan sallallahu alayya ashar marrah wa salli alayya ashar marrah. Who want to salawat me? Allah gonna be salawat for him, and I will gonna be salawat for that guy can. Every single day, every single night, man. Even I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have a nice car or motorbike. 5 times, 4 people or 5 people left me behind because they don't have money. And now, the point is, money very important. Always to get married without money, right? Always to buy something like jewelry, clothes. The point is money to be important. So, I run by myself right now. Rich mentality very important than poor mentality. Are you still poor mentality? Are we poor? Are we have struggle? Going to work, looking for lots of money, study hard, working hard, hopefully, then it can get money very much. Anything about that. I don't know. Alright, that's my turn. The point is, from this day and day, not only people but also animals need money, including bongos need money. That's my turn. My speaker up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, question.